Castle Hotel was first opened in 1803. Later in the century, in about the 1800s, there was a fire, destroyed the place. It was rebuilt and reopened in 1899, using the stone from the roundhouse that used to be across the town from us. Hence the nickname Castle Street, which actually stuck to this day. Throughout the 1900s, it was a working hotel with a coach station at the back that actually ferried people from the train station to the castle. During that time, there was a lot of political upheaval. There was a young boy killed just down the road from us when a mob stole the castle because the local Tory candidate was staying in the Castle Hotel at the time. The most notable landlord of the castle was Angus Donaldson. He stood out because in a predominantly Labour area, he was a Liberal councillor. And over the decade that he was in charge of the castle and beyond, he never lost one election despite being a Liberal in a staunch Labour area. The castle ceased to be a full working hotel in about 1990, when it was knocked through into the castle you see today, which is open plan. My wife and myself have been here since 2006. We've had live entertainment such as bands, musicians from all walks of life playing here every weekend. We become established as a live venue. The old hotel at the back has been divided off into apartments, self-catering apartments, for visitors or workers to the area. Outside we got a porch. Years ago there was cast iron work on top, but it was taken down in the late 70s. The only thing that remains of that now is the actual pillars, which we discovered from a Glasgow ironworks firm, which is still in operation. The pillars are roughly the same age as a town clock, which gives it a bit of significance, I think, as being part of the town. The external of the castle hasn't really changed over the years, apart from the colour. We're very proud of the Castle Hotel, and it stands in a prominent place in Tregenga, being the castle on Castle Street. And we like to think that our social conscience and the people visiting and people socialising stands as a good stead for the future and makes it a focal point for the future and a steadfast image of Castle Street without a castle not being thinking about.